when I was a professor at Tulane, I was studying thermodynamics and hydrodynamic stability and melt-freeze interfaces and metal matrix composite. I'm a big man. And I used to sit in my office, and my office used to overlook the river. And I used to see ships going down the river. And one day, somebody gave me a call, and I answered the phone. And when I answered the phone, the only thing I heard in the background was bump, bump, bump. And I heard this guy screaming. He's like, do you hear that noise? Do you hear that noise? I was like, yes, yes. He was like, that's my pipe in my office. Can you come check it? Got in my truck, and I went down to his office. When I walked into his office, there was a big pipe in back of the office, and the pipe was thumping, thump, 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 thump. And I looked at him. I said, sound like you have a hydrodynamic stability problem. He said, well, that's why I called you. I said, okay. He said, well, can you fix it? I said, well, that's what I do. He said, well, fix it then. I went out to my truck, and I came back in with my tool, put my hand on the pipe, bump, bump, and I hit it with my hammer, bam. And all of a sudden, the pipe went smooth. That's Engineering 101. Hit it with a hammer first. And if that doesn't work, then we read the manual. He was like, look, Doc, thank you, Doc. Thank you, you fixed it. He said, bill me. I said, well, you definitely going to get billed. And I went to my office, and I typed up the invoice, do-do-do-do-do, and I faxed it to him. Whoop. And he got the invoice, and he looked at the invoice, and the invoice read $200. And he picked up the phone, he called me, and he said, you must be out your rabbit mind if you think I'm going to pay you $200 for hitting a pipe with a hammer. I said, oh, you want the itemized bill? He said, yeah, itemize it. He said, break it down. I said, well, let it be broken. And I typed it up, and I faxed it to him. Whoop. And when he got the bill a second time, he looked at it, and the bill read $2 for the hammer, $198 for knowing where to hit it. See, the man or woman who knows how will forever have a job. But the man or woman who knows why will forever be their boss. We got to teach our children the why. In 1998, 50% of all technology companies founded in America was founded by people of Indian descent because the Indian Institute of Technology teaching their kids the why, and we too busy teaching our kids the how so they can get them a good job and to get laid off by some foreign national.